Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make 5 easy and simple crafts. These are a paper box, a paper rocket, a paper fortune teller, a paper Japanese fan, and a paper boat. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first we'll be seeing how to make a paper Japanese fan. So let's get started. So the first step we're supposed to fold the paper a little bit on one side of the paper. Next step we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold it. So we have to repeat the same step until all the paper is gone. So we have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to fold the paper a little bit on the bottom and our paper Japanese fan is ready. So next we'll be seeing how to make a paper boat. So first for this, we need a square piece of paper and we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Like this. So after we complete this, we're supposed to fold the paper one more time. Like this. So now we're supposed to take one piece of paper from the top and we're supposed to fold it to the bottom like this. And we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold all the other 3 pieces to the opposite side. Now we just have to keep our hand inside the hole here and we just have to fold it. So after we do this, we'll get a diamond-like structure. So now we just have to open this part like this. So after we open this, we're just supposed to fold it on the bottom part like this. So after we complete this, our paper boat will also be ready. So now we'll be seeing how to make a paper fortune teller. So first for this, we need a square piece of paper and we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Now we have to unfold it and we're supposed to fold the paper in half on the opposite side. Next step is that we're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle point. Like this. So after we complete this, we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to repeat the same step. We're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle line again. So now we're just supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it and I'm unfolding it and folding it again so that it will be easy to make it. So now we just have to slip our fingers inside the holes here. Now we just have to open these holes as well and we're supposed to keep our fingers in them. So we just have to do this slowly. So if we do this, then our fortune teller will also be ready. So I already posted a video in my channel about how to make a fortune teller easily and how to use it. You guys can watch it if you want more details about it. So next we'll be seeing how to make a paper rocket. So you usually make rockets with a rectangular piece of paper, but in this video we'll be seeing how to make a rocket with a square piece of paper. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half like this. Now we're supposed to open it and I'm just going to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So now we'll have a structure like this. Now we have to repeat the same step again and we're supposed to fold the paper to the middle line one more time. So our rocket will be ready like this, but I'm going to be folding it one more time again into the middle point because if we do this, the rocket will fly even more faster. So I'm folding it one more time to the center and I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. So now we're just supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we're supposed to fold it one more time and after we open it, we're supposed to hold the rocket like this and our paper rocket will be ready. So at last we'll be seeing how to make a paper box. So let's get started. For this, I'm taking a square piece of paper and I'm folding the paper in half. Now I'm opening it and I'm folding the paper in half one more time. Next step is that we're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle line. So we have to do this slowly, like this. So I'm folding all sides of the paper to the middle line. Next step is that I'm going to be folding any two opposite sides to the middle line like this. Now we're supposed to open them and we're supposed to fold the other two opposite sides to the middle line and we have to unfold them back. So after we complete this, I'm opening this and I'm also opening two sides of it and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So now I'm taking the bottom part of the paper and I'm folding it to the top, and I'm taking the top part of the paper and I'm folding it to the bottom. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So after we complete this, I'm just opening this part and I'm just keeping my hands inside just like this, and I'm folding the paper to make a paper box. So after we complete this, our box will be ready. So we can make another box like this and we can use it as a lid. So now our 5 paper crafts are ready. So we made a paper box, a paper rocket, a paper fortune teller, a paper boat and a paper Japanese fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!